This is day 3 of trying all the Blizzard treats on the Dairy Queen menu, and I got the Superman Cake Batter Cookie Dough Blizzard. So this is one of their summer special. I ordered on the app, and I got a welcome offer, and so I got a free small shake, vanilla shake. I've been like eyeing for this Blizzard treat for a while now because it's blue. First bite. Today is a very hot day, so I took a break from my Dairy Queen adventure because it's been raining nonstop for a week, and now it's very humid outside. I think it was like 80 degrees earlier, but first bite. This is how it looks like. You can kind of see the sprinkles. It has that birthday cake flavor. I was hoping it'd be a little bit more special. I don't know what I was expecting, but the sprinkles have like a nice crunch, and they have like the cookie dough in it. I would give it an 8 out of 10. The vanilla shake. So I asked for like some whipped cream, and they gave me a straw also. First sip. That's a nice vanilla shake. Even with the whipped cream, it's really good.